Hey boys and girls, it's Miss McIntyre here again. So we've been learning a lot about nonfiction books and our text features, which you've heard about in our mini lessons. Now, as we read nonfiction books, remember we are reading to learn something or learn more about a topic. So today, since we're learning about in science plant and animal life cycles and learning more about plants and animals, I thought this would be a good book to read. So this book is called Plant Life Cycles. Now, as I read this book, I'm going to stop and I'm going to think about what is the author teaching me, what's in this section. I'm going to look at my text features too. Now, after you listen to this book, we're going to have a little assignment to do with some questions. Remember, you can always go back and rewatch this video and read the book to yourself on Epic. So I'm looking at the title. You can see the cover over here. It says Plant Life Cycles. Well, I know plants are living things like trees, flowers, the grass, and life cycles is telling me about how their life goes in a cycle from you're born, teenager, adult. So let's learn about plant life cycles. So here is our heading for this section, Packet of Life. Packet of Life, and I see seeds here. So I'm wondering if this is maybe I can go get a packet of seeds from like the store. I've seen them like at Walmart and Target before. And I see some bold words. Remember, those bold words are expert words that are special to this topic and can usually be found at the back of the book with a glossary for a definition. Okay, Packet of Life. Every living thing begins, can reproduce, and dies. In many plants, this life cycle begins with a seed. Here we have a whole bunch of seeds. These look like sunflower seeds. I love sunflower seeds. Here we see someone putting a seed into the dirt. It says, have you ever planted seeds? Have you guys ever planted seeds? You can comment on the assignment if you would like. A seed holds the beginnings of a plant's first roots, stem, and leaves. A tiny plant waits inside each seed. Oh, so here we have like a little graph. Or not a graph, more of like a diagram. A seed ready to grow. So we have a picture with a little caption. Roots begin to grow. Roots grow bigger. You can kind of see the roots right there. They're getting long. Now a stem begins to grow. See right there? And then, look what happens. The stem grew really long, and look, we have leaves. I wonder what kind of plant this is going to grow into. Are you guys wondering the same thing? Some plants begin from a bulb. Are they talking about a light bulb? That doesn't make sense. So I wonder if a bulb is also kind of like a seed for plants. Because some plants can begin from a bulb. Bulbs grow roots, stems, and leaves too, just like a seed. An onion plant begins from a bulb. Oh. So it's not a light bulb. Here we have a new heading. So this is another section. Life unfolding. The tiny plant grows. Roots make a strong base. They take in water and nutrients from the soil. Here we have a bold word. Let's see if I click on it. What happens? Oh, here it tells us nutrients. A nutrient substance or ingredient. Here we have some roots growing. You can see those roots. The first shoot becomes a strong stem. The stem carries the water and nutrients to the plant and holds up the leaves. So let's take a look at what shoot means. So it has a couple different meanings, verb or noun. To let fly or cause to be driven forward with force. To cause a missile to be driven out. To cause a weapon to discharge a missile. That doesn't sound like anything we need with plants. Ooh, here, let's look at the noun. A plant stem with its leaves and branches, especially when not yet mature. So it looks like this is the correct definition since we're talking about plants. Here we have this little note. Leaves grow from plant stems. And here we have a stem. Leaves use sunlight, air, and water to make food for the plant. Remember, that's what all living things need. Leaves are food factories for plants. And here we have a diagram with the labels pointing to the leaves. So these text features are helping me know the different parts of the plants. Flowers. That's the title for this section. Some plants make flowers. Plants make seeds inside their flowers. Ooh, so we have a whole bunch of little seeds here. These look like a different kind of seeds. Now, since we have a photograph, which is a text feature, and we have another text feature, does anyone remember what this is called? Remember, a caption. So this tells me what kind of seeds. They're marigold seeds. So captions can help us know what things are, if there's a picture or photograph. Marigold flowers make marigold seeds. When they are ready, some seeds fall to the ground. Animals or the wind will carry other seeds to new places to grow. The wind blows dandelion seeds to a new place. Has anyone ever blown on a dandelion, found one and pick it up and blow on it and watch the little seeds fly? At the end of the life cycle, plants die. Their bodies decay. I think I've heard that word before. Let's take a look in just a second. New plants will grow in their place. So decay, to lose soundness, health, strength, or vigor, to go through or cause to go through decomposition, gradual loss of strength, soundness, health, or vigor, or to rot. So their bodies decay, they start to rot and die. Now here's a life cycle of an oak tree. So we're learning about life cycles. It begins and it keeps on going and going. So let's start here. The acorn sprouts. There we have an acorn. You might see acorns around outside. So it's starting to sprout. You see the seed has broken. A young tree starts to grow. The tree grows bigger. And then the tree makes flowers and acorns. After many years, a tree might die. But then those acorns can go back to sprouting and the life cycle starts all over again for that plant. Oh, and here we are. Here's some questions you can look and ask yourself. And here is the glossary that can give us all the information of those bold words we saw. And the glossary is also a text feature to help us know about some maybe unfamiliar words. And also bold print words also help us know that those are expert words so we can figure out the meaning of them. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this read aloud. You can always go back and listen again or find this book on Epic. Get ready to go take those questions. Good luck. See you guys later. Bye-bye.